Okay. No.
Mission.
Mission. Establish, train, and to equip.
Dialogo.
Logo. Christ-centered, Bible-believing, spiritual-filled, who has been commissioned to the Philippines and to the world.
Vision.
Vision, chosen and appointed to go bear fruit that remain.
15, 16.
15, 16. Wait. 15, 16. Wait. You did not choose me, but I chose you and appointed you that you should go bear fruit and bear fruit and that that you should go and bear fruit that remain and whatever you ask the Father in my name, and He will give you. Magaling ka ng video. Pag may video magaling. Tara na.